What does the sound sea like? For some, a first trip to the beach. Delirium then as we clambered eager over rocks, desperate to reach the sand. Some of us held hands. Uncertainty underfoot made old fears surface. But we all conquered the climb, except the wheelchair left empty on the path. They were wild as the wind as they made contact, giddy as the gull above them, set spinning on thermals and sea gusts. The space was vast, cliff to cliff, in distances like their eyes, wide, not sure what to take in first. A good assault on the senses, new feelings of salt and skin, and voices carried away. Squeals of cold feet in rock pools, and some running with joyful clumps of, "What's this?" "Seaweed." "And what's this?" "Seaweed." "And what about this?" Another variety of. After zigzagging and spinning, looking down, out to sea and at the kestrel quivering, "I can keep this shell? You mean I can take it home?" Yes, yes, all of it. You can take it all home. It's yours, the sand, the sea, the being free. Take your shell and your wet feet. Let the earth's brine seep into your blood. Come to know the tides, their push and pull, the force it takes to be this present, to let go.